Ultra-wide monitors have been here for a while and are no longer a niche. Gamers, content creators, and productivity pros are now looking for displays that offer not only more screen space, but also an immersive experience with great visuals. Enter the Samsung Odyssey G9 G91F, a 49-inch dual-QHD 144Hz curved gaming monitor that promises to deliver all that with a professional design and screen real estate that replaces two 27-inch Quad HD monitors. But how does it perform in the real world? Let's get into it. Samsung doesn't hold back when it comes to futuristic aesthetics, and the Odyssey G9 is a clear example. With its ultra-wide 32:9 aspect ratio, the monitor wraps around your field of vision thanks to its aggressive 1000R curve, which is said to match the natural curve of our eyes. Clad in plastic black panels, it gives the monitor a seemingly professional vibe despite its gamer-esque features. That said, it's a large and heavy display, so make sure you've got the desk space to accommodate its massive stand and 49-inch width. The stand itself is surprisingly versatile, offering height, tilt, and swivel adjustments with base mount compatibility if you prefer a clean wall or arm setup. If you're looking to make a visual statement with your workspace or gaming battle station, the Odyssey G9 absolutely does that. For its actual display, the Odyssey G9 features a 49-inch VA panel with a 5120 by 1440 dual Quad HD resolution, which again essentially gives us two 27-inch 2K displays side by side without a bezel in between. The image quality is impressive. It covers 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, and while it's not an IPS or OLED panel, contrast is where the VA panel shines. We get impressively deep blacks and punchy highlights which work well in both dark rooms and bright lighting conditions. Peak brightness sits around 600 nits with native support for HDR10 content, which we can set in Windows display settings. Although it's not a true HDR powerhouse like some mini LED or OLED monitors. What it is perfect for are immersive experiences. Whether you're gaming, editing videos on a massive timeline, or watching ultra-widescreen movies, it's an absolute visual treat. For multitaskers, it's worth noting that the monitor supports picture-by-picture and picture-in-picture modes, which allows us to view two inputs at once, which can be ideal for streamers, editors, and web developers. With a 144Hz refresh rate and support for 1 millisecond response times, it's tuned for fast-paced, high-refresh rate gaming. Competitive titles like CSGO and Warzone benefit immensely from the ultra-smooth performance and super-wide field of view. Unfortunately, Valorant does not support ultra-wide resolutions, so running that will give us cropped sides while playing. Another great option for a monitor like this would be for sim racers. It's also certified for AMD FreeSync, so we get tear-free gameplay for Radeon GPUs. Unfortunately, no G-Sync certification, but it isn't the biggest deal. Input lag is minimal and motion handling is among the best we can get on a VA panel. It may not beat OLED in response clarity, but for its class, it's still among the top performers. For ports, the G9 keeps things versatile. We get one DisplayPort 1.4, necessary for its full resolution capabilities, and 144Hz refresh rate, two HDMI 2.1s, which are limited to 60 or 120Hz at full resolutions, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 downstream ports, one USB Type-B upstream, and a 3.5mm headphone jack for plugging in headphones or speakers directly to the monitor. There's no USB-C with power delivery on this model, which might be a downside for MacBook users or those relying on a single cable desk setup. Wrapping this video up, we have to answer the question, is the Odyssey G9 G91F worth it? Well, the Samsung Odyssey G9 is not a monitor for the faint of heart. It demands desk space, GPU horsepower, and a sizable investment. But if you're someone who wants the most immersive display for gaming, multitasking, or media consumption, it absolutely delivers. Its combination of high refresh and 1000R curved ultra-widescreen immersion make it one of the most unique monitors anyone can buy today. If you can live without USB-C or true HDR 1000 performance, the G91F is a stunning centerpiece that will elevate your entire setup. For pricing, the Samsung Odyssey G9 gets an official retail price of 65,999 pesos and is currently on sale for 56,099 pesos and 15 centavos from Samsung directly. Links in the description box below. So, what do you guys think of the Samsung Odyssey G9? Is this your dream monitor? Let us know in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video, found it educational, informative, or a little bit fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit ecotech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this was the Samsung Odyssey G9, Miguel T, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.